Hi guys, this is Michael's haul. Yeah, I went back to Michael's today, and because I had a 55% off coupon, so what I really needed to get was a better paper cutter, because the one I have, I can't get the blades for anymore. I bought that years ago. I had bought it years ago at Walmart. Anyhow, it's I forget the name of the company that it was made from. Anyhow, so I got this. This paper trimmer. Oh my god, I'm so happy. And I got the one with the rotary cutter. Anyhow, so regularly at my Michaels here in Canada, it's it was $44.99, but with the 55% off coupon, I only paid $20.25 for it. Yeah, so that was a good deal. And what I didn't know also, and I've never really looked, is that you could get the different blades for these to do different cuts. A straight cut, scoring, perforated, decal, uh, pinking, like a pinky shirt. Okay, a wave, and the scallop, and the cut bar. Anyhow, so just gonna put that over there. And I got Halloween ribbon. So now this is they've got their wire along the edges. Anyhow, so I got this one. It was really cute. So they're 50% off, so they're only $4. And I got this one, the plaid with the orange and black and white. Oh, and let's see. I got Halloween washi. Whoops, too much of a glare. There, Halloween washi tape. And I got I got X-ray pad. Anyhow, this one is there's 24 in here. Okay, it's a 6x4 paper. It's a 6x4. They also had the big ones I didn't want, so this is a skull. So they have about 4 of each, I think. 3, 4. That's the skull. There's the rib cage. A hand. It's a bug skeleton, and that's a spider. See? It's X-ray of a spider. Okay. And there's the pelvis. Yeah, you get 4 of each. And I don't know if that's an ant or whatever kind of bug that is. Oh, it's another one of the spider, eh? See 6 legs? How many legs? 2, 4, 6 legs. So it's, I don't know, some other kind of bug, an ant or something. And yeah, so that's it. See, there it is. Yeah, that's an ant or something. Okay, so that. I got Halloween sticker book. Let's see. Yeah, 310 stickers in here. Black cat. There you go. That's it. Alphabet. That's it. Okay. And what else? Oh, I found a jelly roll. I thought they only had one, otherwise I would have bought two of them. I thought this pen. And I got a bottle of this. It's by Folkart. It's called Dragonfly Glaze, and it's a color shift. And the three colors are violet, blue, green, green shift. So it's three colors. Now the reason why I bought this, anyhow, I'm gonna try. There, that's better. You can see it up there. Colors. The front end of my Duckmobile, the round part that I keep trying to keep changing the colors and that. I want to try this on there. Yeah. And they had on their beads, they had 60% off. I think 60% off, 50% off. I think it was 60 only on the green label. Whoops. Only, hang on, come back here, you. Only on the green labels. Anyhow, I found these beautiful starfish beads. So you get you get 12 on here. I found these. Look at these. Look at that. Oh my God. A seahorse. I don't know where my head is. Yeah, it's a seahorse. That's beautiful. You get 6 on here. I got, I found these. There's 9 pieces on here. That's pumpkin. They come in different colors. And I don't know if you guys can see this. This, I'm going to take it out of the wrapping. It's a Buddha head. I love this. And there's how many on here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 9 of them on here. It's a Buddha head. Look at that. I love that. Okay, and let's see what other goodies that I. Oh yeah, I found more stuff for the bead landing. I'm so happy about that because I couldn't find where they had put them before. Anyhow, these were all 50% off. Can you see that? These are dragons. I'll take it out of here. Look at these dragons. They're gorgeous. And I got a couple more of the owls that I bought last time. And look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I love that. That look great on the excuse me, on a box or a shadow box. Oh, I love that. That's the type of thing I like. And I found there's 36 pieces in here. They're the mini keys. And then I got 20 pieces in here. They're they look like they're the larger keys, but they look like they're they're patina. But that's it. That's it for my haul, guys. So I'll have a rest. It's beautiful out today. The sun is shining and the air is nice and cool. And on the weekend, we're going to get hit like it's the last weekend of summer, and it's going to be like humidity back for a couple of days. But anyhow, that's okay. And then Monday is first day of fall, and we're going to get rain. Anyhow, so have a great rest of the week, guys, and I'll see you. I'll catch up with you another time. Ciao.